Here I have OPPO A1, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly what you'll have to do is to go to settings. Then you should go to the additional settings and then go to the backup and reset. Here select the last option, reset phone, then tap erase all data, then erase data and then once again, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.